What up, YouTube? We just got back from CWF Offroad and we picked up these bed stiffeners. These two, they go on something like this, one on each side. So what I'm thinking of doing is measuring the center of this, lining up these bolt holes, getting it off the tailgate. I think he said like 3/8 of an inch off the tailgate, and then drill the holes up here, two up here and two down here. Those up. So this kit comes with the hardware, a couple of grade 8 bolts, and two of these left and right. It comes with some badass stickers. There, so check them out. So I'm gonna get to measuring and then drilling the holes for these. This is what we have so far. I taped off this edge and this edge, and I got the center on both sides. Then I did the same thing up here. So then I got the measurement from here to here. I got the center of that, and then I got the center of this, roughly. I mean, they're not all exactly where they should be, but as close as possible. So then I measured 1/2 inch from here in, so this edge wouldn't hit the tailgate. But we marked up the tailgate and we drew a line, which is this line right here. So that's as far as the tailgate is. And then since I measured 1/2 inch from this edge in, that's the second line, the pencil line. So that's where I'm gonna put the stiffener. So if you center both lines, top and bottom, you're around, this is pretty much where it's gonna be. And the second line on the bottom plate, it's a little off. I got all 4 holes drilled. You put the bolt with the washer on each bolt, and then it has a pretty big gap right here, but it should close up once we tighten the bolts. We're gonna do that right now. So they also provide you with another washer and nut, and you do have to remove your tail light. So we got to both of these bolts. The top one, you're gonna use a wrench in here. Well, both of these you're gonna use a wrench. For this top one, you could use a ratchet. For this one, you have to use a wrench because you can't fit the socket in there with the ratchet. And the gap did close. And this is sort of tight. It's not completely tight. And then the bottom, we didn't put the nuts on the bottom, but we're gonna do the same thing to this side. And we're gonna drill the holes down here. We're gonna drill 2 holes up here, and we're gonna bolt it down and show you guys how it looks once it's all done. Done bolting everything down. I'm gonna remove the tape. Well, pretty much remove the whole thing just so we could wrap the line of the bed. We're still missing the bracket for the oil cords back there, but we mocked up the spare tire just to make sure we have clearance. These do come powder coated, and you'll get them in semi-gloss. So we're actually picking up something else for this truck. Stay tuned, that'll be in the next video. So, like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.